Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ReCharge subscriptions for recurring e-commerce billing, full guide step by step clearly. To activate ReCharge subscriptions for recurring e-commerce billing, start by logging into your ReCharge account. Navigate to the settings section in the main dashboard. Select recurring billing from the options available. Ensure that the recurring billing feature is enabled for your store. Next, go to the Products tab to configure your product settings. Choose the products you wish to offer as subscriptions. Click on Edit for the selected product. In the product details, look for the subscription settings option. Enable the subscription option for this product. Set the billing interval according to your business needs. You can choose from options like weekly, monthly, or custom frequencies. After configuring the product, navigate to the checkout section. Ensure that your checkout settings are optimized for subscription processes. Customize your checkout experience to make it seamless for customers. Now, proceed to the Customer Portal settings. This feature allows customers to manage their subscriptions easily. Make sure the Customer Portal is activated. Next, create a dedicated page on your website for managing subscriptions. Link this page within your site's navigation for easy access. After completing these steps, test the subscription process yourself. Place a test order as a customer to ensure everything functions correctly. Check that the recurring billing appears in your ReCharge dashboard after the order. Monitor any issues or necessary adjustments in the subscription management area. Once confirmed, you're ready to go live with your subscription offerings. Encourage customer feedback to refine the subscription experience further. Regularly review your subscription analytics for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.